This is the landing page of the application. The current session that is loaded is displayed here. A session refers to an analysis session, where you want to analyze a set of data for control performance or plant-wide disturbances. A user can create any number of sessions giving unique names. To create a new session, open Connect and then click New Session. This menu opens. Give a unique name to the session and open the CSV file. The CSV file must have the timestamp as the first column and data values in subsequent columns. The first or the title row shall contain the variable names. Once you load the session name is updated here. Variables can be included either as indicator variables or as part of control loops. The indicator variables will be useful for the analysis of plant-wide disturbances. Bulk selection of variables is also possible. Once we add a variable as indicator or to a control loop, that variable will not be available for further configuration. If a variable is added by mistake, it can be removed using this button. To configure a control loop, select the process variable, controller output variable and setpoint variable names. In this case, the variables are named PV, OP and SP respectively. If the control loop has a manipulated variable data, input that also. Similarly, if control mode information is available as a named column in the data file, input that too. Next, we need to provide the minimum and maximum values for the variables. Finally, select a control objective for the loop, either setpoint tracking or disturbance rejection. Give the control loop a unique name. The other fields, unit, area, and short description, are optional. Now add the loop to the session. You can add any number of loops to the session. If you want to remove a loop, then select it and use this button to remove it. Once removed, the loop variables will again be available for configuration. The preview of control loop details are displayed in this table. If you want to continue with more configuration at a later time, save and exit. If you want to delete the session, press this button. Once you are done with the configuration, proceed to the main window by pressing the Load button.